Right, so I'm here at the Tesla service center, and the issue I'm having this point or at this time is the one of the rear seat won't move. So I'm pressing the button. You can hear the whining sound, but it's not moving. So what the tech did is like kind of move the seat around, wrestle with it, and then it was able to move. But we're suspecting it's a bad motor. So we're gonna have to replace the motor, I think. Still in warranty, but it's kind of annoying. Yeah. So he's just gonna go check the parts, and I'll update you guys. So on the passenger side, it's fine, but when it reaches halfway, there's that weird sound or noise there. And according to Tesla, there is so what they have is a styrofoam that runs across the board, and it's probably touching the styrofoam, so they need to grease it. Okay, so I'm back at the dealership, and looks like the issue has been rectified. So if I press this once, here we go, that's how it should be. It moves and tilts, and then if I press back, and it's moving back. Right, that at the end, that creaking noise is coming, I think, when it's touching here. So that's okay. Now we're gonna check the other side to see how that is, because I was having issues too. I'll take my key fob. All right, so let's press it. Yep. Yeah, there was that sound midway, so it looks like that's gone too. So that clicking noise coming now. Do you hear that? Anyways, so still under warranty, so I guess it's fine. I don't know what will be the cost if it's out of warranty. For now, the issue is fixed, so I'm glad.